So you want to get your money right with Sofi? Ever feel like your finances are stuck on repeat? Staring down student loans, that dream vacation on hold, and retirement a blurry maybe in the distance? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. But what if there was a platform that could help you tackle your debt, save for the future, and maybe even snag a discount on concert tickets along the way? That's where Sofi comes in. Sofi isn't your traditional bank. Think of it as your all-in-one financial cheerleader, offering a suite of tools to help you get your money right. But with so many features, where do you even begin? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into Sofi and showing you how to unleash its money management magic. Sofi 101, Checking, Savings, and Vaults. First things first, Sofi offers checking and savings accounts that ditch the monthly maintenance fees, a win right off the bat. The checking account comes with a debit card for everyday purchases, and Sofi even throws in ATM fee reimbursements. Sweet. Now, the savings account is where things get interesting. Sofi boasts a competitive interest rate, which means your hard-earned cash actually grows while it sits there. Here's where Sofi gets innovative, introducing Sofi Vaults. Think of them as little digital piggy banks with a twist. You can set specific goals for your vaults, like a down payment on a house or that dream vacation. Sofi then helps you automate your savings towards those goals, keeping you on track and motivated. Debt? Sofi's got your back. Student loans got you down? Sofi built its name on student loan refinancing. They can potentially help you snag a lower interest rate, saving you a ton of money in the long run. But Sofi doesn't stop at students. They also offer personal loans and home loans, all with a focus on getting you competitive rates and making the borrowing process smooth. Investing 101 with Sofi Invest. Ready to grow your wealth beyond a traditional savings account? Sofi Invest has you covered. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Sofi Invest offers a user-friendly platform to trade stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, meaning you can invest in even the pricier companies without needing a fortune up front. Sofi also offers automated investing options, perfect for those who want to set it and forget it. Bonus round, Sofi perks you didn't know about. Sofi goes beyond just banking and investing. As a Sofi member, you get access to exclusive perks, like career coaching and discounts on things like movie tickets and fitness memberships. Who knew managing your money could come with such cool rewards? Making Sofi work for you. Sofi is a powerful financial tool, but it's important to remember there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Take some time to explore the features, figure out your financial goals, and leverage the tools that best suit you. Sofi even offers financial advisors you can chat with for personalized guidance. The takeaway, Sofi, your money management BFF. Sofi isn't a magic bullet, but it can be a game changer for your finances. By offering checking, savings, investing, loan refinancing, and a suite of other tools, Sofi empowers you to take control of your money and finally get on track to your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.